Don't deal with people out of scarcity or desperation, because that's how they set up bad deals. Also, never underestimate who you are dealing with, who you do feel confident dealing with. You always got to be on guard and never underestimate who you're dealing with, because there could always be one bad apple in the group, and maybe the person you've been dealing with for years didn't have any idea about it. And that plays into the next point of just not forcing things. If you got to force something, make it happen. It's 99% chance it's going to end up not how you wanted it to. And when things aren't happening out naturally, then it's just not supposed to happen. You know, around these times, these slow times, take time off. It's tough to say, but you know, trying to force these deals that have 5, 10, 20% chance of closing, it doesn't make sense. It's a losing battle. Just take the time off for the holidays, spend the time with your family, let them know that, you know, come springtime, you're gonna be busy again, so take advantage of the free time right now. Go on a trip, go on 2 trips, go on 3 trips, you know, save up for the holidays too, anticipating that this is gonna happen. You know, if you're really confident in what it is you're doing, you're gonna reinvest your money, 75% of it, into what your, you know, ultimate goal, your ultimate desire is. Next, which leads into that, is, you know, people will do anything, like things you would never expect from people that will do when they're desperate. So keep yourself out of those situations, you know, and it's easy to keep them out if you don't make decisions based out of desperation or, you know, ultimately in scarcity. So make your decisions out of abundance, in the positive mind state, and, you know, don't force things, and, you know, truly live by the golden rule, and like treat the situation, treat the other people in it, you know, think about, put yourself in their shoes, and a lot of those answers just become clear at that point. Check out the website, highchris.com. That's got everything on there, all the social media. It's also got other videos that aren't necessarily on YouTube yet. It's got links to the content courses once that gets released. And it's also a place to stay current on everything else that we're doing.